Miss Bambi and her children.
The babies are growing up. Bambi, you're just like sitting on top of them, don't you?
क्या उसे तड़पाना ओ जालिमा तेरे इश्क में बहका पहले से ही क्या उसे बहकाना ओ जालिमा आंखें मरहबा बातें मरहबा मैं सो मर्तबा दीवाना हुआ मेरा ना रहा जब से दिल में
What is this behavior? Huh, Bambi? What is this behavior? Your children are on one side and you're on one side. What are you doing? Huh, Babu? Pooja, what is this behavior?
क्या उसे बहकाना ओ जालिमा
Got her some smartphones. Look, she wants it. Oh yeah, you do. What talking about the bacon? Sit, baby. Hatula. Give me a 5.
Pa. Baby, Pa.
Where you going? Come here.
Bambi.
Mother, yeah.
I thought you were gonna give her the toy.
She didn't want me to get it? I got it now. She's gonna have fun with that.
Hey, that's your kid.
Oh, dude, she's gonna drive the baby.
Yeah.
Give a bug to Chloe.
She's gonna eat it in 2 seconds.
Let me see that one. I'll give her a new one. So she can eat it. Oh, okay. Okay.
She just stole it out of Arsha's hand. Wow, Bambi don't like to share.
She doesn't even eat it. I was gonna give you a new one.
Two of them are like so busy looking for milk while these two are like passed out, like huddling together.
It's crazy how big they got.
Yeah, literally.
ओ जालिमा आंखें मरहबा बातें मरहबा मैं सो मर्तबा दीवाना हुआ मेरा ना रहा जब से दिल मेरा तेरे हुस्न का निशाना हुआ जिसकी हर धड़कन तू हो ऐसे दिल को क्या धड़काना ओ जालिमा तेरे इश्क
Oh my god, look at that! Look, he's biting! He's biting! Look! Yeah. Oh my god, he's biting. Oh my god, he went after the other one. That dude's naughty. None was probably going to.
लेके जा रही जाएगा मेरी कातिल हर तेरा बहाना हुआ तुझसे ही शुरू तुझ पे ही खत्म मेरे प्यार का फसाना हुआ तू शम्मा है तो याद रखना मैं भी हूँ परवाना ओ जालिमा जो तेरी खातिर तड़पे पहले से ही क्या उसे तड़पाना ओ जालिमा 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 जो तेरी खातिर तड़पे पहले से ही क्या उसे तड़पाना ओ जालिमा तेरे इश्क में बहका पहले से ही क्या उसे बहकाना ओ जालिमा आंखें मरहबा बातें मरहबा मैं सो मर्तबा दीवाना हुआ मेरा ना रहा जब से दिल मेरा तेरे हुस्न का निशाना हुआ जिसकी हर धड़कन तू हो ऐसे दिल को क्या धड़काना ओ जालिमा तेरे इश्क में बहका पहले से ही क्या उसे बहकाना ओ जालिमा ओ जालिमा सांसों में तेरी नजदीकियों का इत्र तू घोल दे मैं ही क्यों इश्क जाहिर करूं
Gigi, come here, Gigi. Look. Gigi, come here, girl. Hi, Gigi. Good girl. Good, you're listening, huh? Come on. Man, come here. What do you want to be named? Huh? Hi, buddy. Come here.
This guy all the way over there by himself.
Come on, guys.
Oh, look.
Come on.
They're
Gigi,
going
come
after
on.
Bambi.
Look at they're really just playing with each other.
Oh my god.
He's stuck.
His paw is stuck.
Come here, buddy. There you go. Now you can come.
Nope, he's stuck. Oh,
No.
no, he got that.
Gigi, stop crying. He's out.
She's a motu.
I know she is. She's my motu. Stop crying. Come on, girl. There you go. And some got out.
Oh my god.
Listen to this. What up? That poor one's just out there. He's a slow one, huh?
I think he's busy doing something.
Bambi, no. I'm sorry.
Dang.
Okay, and that full stuck. Alright, come here. Hey, let go. Let go.
I had fixed it before going to sleep. This morning it's all messed up.
Go. Oh,
Babe, how dare
look at her.
you?
Look at her. Look at her. She's chilling. Look. She's fine. She's good. That's some growl.
What?
There's some growl. I like it. I really like the brown ones. They're so cute.
They're cute. They're like,
Look
get
at
out of
this-
my way.
Now they're just trying to watch.
Does that make any sense?
No, it doesn't. What?
Now they're huddling together. I'm pretty sure they're gonna fall asleep now.
This one's feet balls keep falling out.
Just pull the blankie up.
Alright, Demi. Come. Gigi, what are you doing over here? Look at Gigi right here. This is Gigi. Hi, Gigi. That guy over there, Phil. What's up, Gigi? Hi, Gigi. Hi, baby. Look at her. Aww. She loves me. Hi. Hi, baby. Why is this guy falling all over the place? Dude, that dude's biting his head. Hey, stop it. She has her tongue out. Babe, Gigi had her tongue out like this, look. Just sitting right there in front of me. And now she's biting the dude. What's wrong with this guy? Hi, what's up?
We're not
What's up?
place, we're getting a fixer-upper?
What's up?
What it is?
What's up?
Stop with your
She's
finger
licking.
Oh my god, you're a little too excited for this.